guys, welcome back to CB Shaves, and it's great to be back. Apologies for the last week of no uploads. Update is, I've been ill. I picked up a stomach bug and I've been in bed since last Friday. Thursday night, actually. Thursday night. Yeah, I've had severe stomach pains and pounding headaches and everything, so it wasn't the corona or the new virus, the new variant I should say. It's just a stomach bug, and it laid me up. It really knocked the energy out of me, so hence the uploads. But I'm back and welcome, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. You're amongst good friends. Small unboxing, but first we got the Shaverage, and this one's for you, Mark Backwell, as always, and it's Sheppys, and it's vintage reserve cider, 7.4 oak aged. This is beautiful stuff, guys. It's an awesome cider. So we'll get that poured first. So how you doing, guys? You okay? I'm feeling a lot better now. And it was a good job. It was my long weekend from work. I haven't had a chance to do anything. I've just been laid up in bed. Cheers, guys. All the best. It's a crisp. You get the slight bitterness of the apples, but then it mellows out. It's balanced. It's beautiful. Right, let's get on with the unboxing. I've had these for quite a few days actually, and I just haven't had the energy to do anything about it. Helping me is Draper as always. Right, first one. First one is the latest edition of release from Moon Soaps. Warmest regards. I absolutely love Moon Soaps. I love the way they do the tallow in-house, because it's tallow-based soaps. And I love the fact as well that it's a family-run business. It's man and wife. It's just give me gas. Oh wow. There's the pour, guys. That is a really homely, comforting, warm scent. A safe scent, if you know what I mean. That is absolutely beautiful. Fantastic base. And we have nuggets. Love the nuggets. We have the matching aftershave balm. Warm regards. I'm really looking forward to using this. So there's the first one, guys. Can't wait to use them. Right, second one. Been looking forward to this, and I got this from Shaving Time. This is my God, how long ago was it? My Black Friday order. And I ordered 3 soaps. I think there was 5 new releases, the limited edition. But when I read the scent notes, I only fancied 3 of them. So I got the 3. Right, the first one is Oro Valley. And I read the scent notes on this, and this is right up my street. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. This is inspired by Tom Ford's Ombre Leather, the aftershave or cologne. It's got a slight earthiness to it. I'll go into the scent notes when I use it in the shaves, but absolutely beautiful, great label. I'm assuming this is the Valley with the cactus. Beautiful. No matching splashes yet. I have the splashes on order and they should be there. They should be here this week. They were released at slightly different times. Right, the next one is lightish red. Another one right up my street. Scent strength on this, that one's about a 5. This is about a 7. Maybe a 7.5. And it's a homage to Abercrombie and Fitch Fierce. Another expensive aftershave cologne. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. What a scent. I'm really pleased with my choices. Last but not least is Carmichael. I love my complex soaps. These are complex, and the more complex they are in the notes, the better the scent, in my personal opinion. And this scent strength, I would say, is about a 5, almost a 6. And this is inspired by Bulgari Black. Hence the black tie, I think. There's the paw, in case I didn't show it. It's got a slight tinge, bluish tinge to the paw, to the soap. Beautiful. I can't wait to get the aftershaves because I know they're going to be more potent. I'm looking forward to using this in an upcoming shave as well for the Christmas week. I've got a Christmas themed week next week with the shaves. So I'm looking forward to that. So happy days. Really looking forward to it. So there you go, guys. Just a quick one, just to keep you updated. I know I'm in need of a shave and I'm going to have that right now because I just have not had the energy or the anything to do anything, and I feel a lot better today. So I hope you guys are okay, and I'll see you soon. I'll see you on the shave. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll see you then, guys. Thanks for joining me and thanks for sticking by me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're well. So yeah, I'll see you on the next shave. Thanks, guys. All the best. Cheers.